What up, everybody? It's your boy Jordan. We back again with These Muscles. Today I'm going to show you on how to do goblet squats. Goblet squats work your whole lower body, such as your quads, the muscles in front of your leg, your hamstrings, the muscles behind your leg, your calves, that's the muscle in the back portion of your lower leg, and your glutes, which is your butt. To do goblet squats, let me get my dumbbell. And we're going to do this, we're going to hold the one side of the dumbbell so your fingers be on top and your palm covers the side and the bottom of the one side of the dumbbell. So when we squat, what we're going to do is have our feet shoulder width apart. Well, instead of like doing the regular squats, we're going to turn our feet and our knees towards opposite ends. So say like your left leg go to the left side, your right leg go to the right side like this. So when you squat, you go down, come back up, go down, come back up, go down, come back up. I recommend doing 3 sets of 15 reps, but I'm just going to show you one set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And that's the end of the video. Just remember, when doing goblet squats, you do 3 sets of 15 reps, and after each set, you rest for 30 seconds. If you enjoyed the video, please show your support by subscribing and also hitting the bell and select all to get all notifications. Like, comment, share this video. Follow These Muscles on Instagram @thesemuscles and These Muscles!